Hello everyone. Open your Telegram and on the top tap on three line, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on Telegram business. Now tap on away messages, tap on send away messages, tap on create an away messages. Now you can write your message or use any media, video, or photo as a message when you are offline will send to your contact who message you. For example, test and tap on send. Now back, as you see, we add a away messages and you can more settings, for example, schedule, which means send always, or you can custom schedule. Tap on it. You can schedule which time when you are offline this message sent automatically to your contact. You can choose start time or end time. Also, we have another option only if offline, which default this option is active. And you see a note, don't send the away messages if you are recently been online. You can choose reception, you can choose only selected chat or more setting based on your needs. After that, tap on save. Also, if you again back to away messages, you can tap on that message you wrote and you can tap and hold on that message. You can delete it or edit it based on your needs. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.